Today is day 9 of 30 days English speaking challenge. Today I wear this cloth and this cap. Why do you know? Because right now I'm in the field. I know this is the winter time. In winter time when we stay at home, so at the time we are feeling cold. But when we are in outside, means in the field, we are working under the sun continuously. We are getting too much sunlight. So that's when it's too much sunlight. So at the time we need to protect our eyes and face while wearing this cloth and cap. So that's why I wear this cloth and cap to protect my eyes and face. So what I am doing on the field today, I am going to show you. So first of all, I need to remove this cap from my head, because if I will not remove this cap from my head, you guys will not able to see my face properly. So that's why I need to remove my cap from my head. So today I'm going to show you how we are planting potatoes. So right now behind me you can able to see my parents are planting potatoes in the field. I come here to help them. So that's why I need to share this process, because my intention is to practice English. Whatever is happening around me, I try to explain and I try to capture on camera and share with you guys. We are planting potatoes, but okay, while explaining, those people know this process, they can able to learn few sentences and few word in English while see this potato planting process. Okay, so too much temperature means temperature is too much hot in a winter time also. So that's why making videos while see in front of the camera, it's very difficult to me. So here I'm going to show you which kind of tools we are using to planting potatoes. So with the help of this rope and stick, my father draw straight line in the field. Okay, here I am going to show what is that tools. You can see here my father is using that stick and rope to draw a straight line. After that he uses the plow, even the line more straight. So guys, 10 to 15 years ago, this plow is the main tool as a farmer, because this plow they used to prepare all the field with the help of cows. But right now, after coming lots of artificial tools, just like a power tillers and some harvesting machine, so farmers are not doing that much hard work compared to previous 10 or 15 years ago. You can see in this pot there is lots of potato sheet. We cut this potato sheet at our home. And here you can see my mother planting potato on the line one by one. So I come here to take little rest. Behind me you can able to see this is the bamboo garden, and here is one sitting place is there. So in this sitting place I want to take little rest here, because under the bamboo garden there is not that much sunlight and temperature. I'm not getting any too much hot temperature, so that's why I want to take rest in this place little bit, then again I will go to my work. So while taking rest I want to spend time with you guys. So which kind of problem I'm facing and which kind of problem you will face while practicing English language. Okay, so when I am making videos in the field, people are all another people are also working in the field. Okay, they are giving negative comment to me what I am doing here. Okay, but they are not able to understand my intention. Okay, I'm not doing wrong here. I'm too much confidence to myself. I'm not doing wrong here. I want to learn. Learning is not a bad thing. I want to learn this language. I want to speak this language. So speaking a language, learning a language is not a bad thing. So this is a process to learn any language. Whatever in our surrounding, we need to explain. Whenever if we will explain, so then only we able to understand. Then only we able to speak. Otherwise, how it will possible to get fluency in this language if we will not if we will not explain, how it will possible to speak this language. Okay. So I am from a village. So work is happening in a village. I try to explain. That's it. I don't have another intention to show off other people I'm speaking English language as a village girl. No, I don't have such kind of intention to show off myself. No, I want to learn this language. And if someone is inspiration from me, they want to learn English language, so they can learn. But someone is saying to me I am showing off to myself. I am able to speak English language, so that's why I'm showing off to myself. I am making videos here and there. No, whatever they are thinking, they can think. I don't want to break their thought process. Okay, so it's not my cup of tea. It's not my intention to means break their thought process. So there is chances too you will face such kind of problems, means whenever you will explain, whenever you will try to speak, and whenever you will try to explain whatever have in your surrounding, you will try to explain. So while speaking this language, yes, sound, people will get your voice, people will listen your way of explanations. If anyone stay near to you, okay, so at that time there is high chances too they will see to you, okay. So if you are not able to make videos like me, so okay, leave it, but at least you can try to explain. Means now you are working anywhere you are working, try to explain to yourself, okay. Means so there is chances to means another people will get your voice, and you will get a negative comment from people. So do not care about others negative comment, what other people are saying to you, what you are thinking. I am not getting day by day, means every single day, whenever it's come to making video on in the outside, in the field, I'm getting negative comment. People are saying lots of things, but I don't care about that. I'm not doing any wrong work, okay. I'm not doing any wrong work. I know learning is not a bad thing. I want to learn from myself. They are not ready to help, they are ready to criticize, they are ready to make me down, okay. So don't care about people, what people are thinking about you. You are speaking this language, you are explaining this language, you are making videos outside, you will try to explain whatever happening, whatever work you are doing. So you try to explain in this language. So in between you are getting negative comments. So do not give much more important to others, give important to you, what you want to do, why you want to learn English language, and how you will learn this language, and how you will explain this language. So focus yourself, not focus to others. So definitely it's possible to get fluency in this language, otherwise it's not possible. I come here, I make videos, I explain whatever happening to me, I try to explain to learn this language. Otherwise I don't have any intention, I don't have any mindset to show up myself. Bye for now, see you in the next video.